Welcome back to Money Unlocked, the place where we break down real ways to earn online and create passive income. Today, I'm revealing how I make money using YouTube automation without ever showing my face and without recording a single video myself. If you're curious how faceless YouTube channels earn thousands of dollars a month, this video is for you. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Money Unlocked and hit the bell icon, because we share money-making strategies every week you won't want to miss. 1. What is YouTube automation? Let's start with the basics. YouTube automation is a business model where you run a YouTube channel, but you outsource everything from writing scripts to editing videos. That means you don't need to be on camera, you don't need to use your voice, and you don't even need to create the videos yourself. It's a faceless, hands-off way to grow a YouTube channel and earn passive income from ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and more. 2. How I make money with it. Now let me show you how I make money with YouTube automation. Here's the full process I follow. 1. Pick a profitable niche like finance, health, luxury, or tech. 2. Do keyword research to find topics people are searching for. 3. Write a compelling script, usually outsourced to a freelancer. 4. Add AI voiceover, using tools like ElevenLabs or Speechelo. 5. Use stock footage and animations from sites like Pictory or Storyblocks. 6. Edit the video or outsource it on Fiverr or Upwork. 7. Upload with good title, tags, and thumbnail. 8. Monetize via AdSense, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Each video becomes a digital asset that works for me 24/7. And guess what? You can start this with almost no budget. 3. Why it works. YouTube automation works because people want valuable content, not necessarily faces. There's huge demand for faceless content, examples, top 10s, tutorials, motivation, stories. YouTube rewards consistent uploads with long-term visibility. One viral video can make you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Plus, you can scale it up, build multiple channels, hire a team, and grow like a real business. 4. Tools I use. Here are some of the exact tools I use in my YouTube automation system. ChatGPT for script writing. ElevenLabs/Speechelo for realistic AI voiceover. Pexel/Pixabay/Storyblocks for free stock videos. CapCut/Premiere Pro for video editing. TubeBuddy/vidIQ for keyword research and optimization. Canva for making stunning thumbnails. With these tools, you can automate 90% of the process and just focus on managing the system. 5. How much can you earn? So how much can you actually make? A small channel can earn $300 to $1,000 per month from ads. Add affiliate marketing and sponsorships, and that can double or triple. Some automated channels are making $5,000 to $20,000 per month, completely faceless. The secret? Consistency, quality content, and smart monetization. 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are a few mistakes to avoid when starting YouTube automation. 1. Choosing a niche with low CPM, low-paying ads. 2. Copying content from other channels. This can get you demonetized. 3. Ignoring SEO. Your title, description, and tags matter. 4. Giving up too early. Most success comes after months of consistency. Treat it like a business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Now you know exactly how I make money with YouTube automation, and how you can too, without showing your face or creating content yourself. If you got value from this video, please like, comment your questions below, and subscribe to Money Unlocked for more real strategies to build online income and financial freedom. New videos drop every week, so turn on notifications and start building your faceless YouTube empire today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.